Hey guys, it's your boy Mark, and I just pulled into potentially your future new home community. Um, you probably have seen me, you probably saw me do a tour of this back in last fall. And it took a while because it's Cobb County. It takes a while to work with this strong government over here for permitting and zoning and elevations that they want the builder to do. And I got the recent update that I'm taping this, what is it, April 6th I think it is, of 2023, and I had to head over here because from my understanding, fingers crossed, we're hoping lot releases happen around April 27th, the first round of them. This looks like it's going to be like the builder's temporary mobile area to handle the crews and stuff like that. The price point on these, from what I hear, is going to probably be from the high 3s to the high 4s. There's going to be 56 lots. I think this is actually lot 56 coming up over here. They have a few parking areas. There's going to be mail kiosks as well. So that's where, typically your bills and your junk mail go. Of course, your Amazons and UPS, stuff like that. FedEx will be dropped off at your doors. But as you can see, as I'm driving through here, it's a gorgeous setting. It's a wooded setting here in Powder Springs. Now, I just came from doing some other home tours in Powder Springs as well, because Powder Springs is actually pretty spread out, and less than 10 minutes from here the houses were $800,000 to $1.5 million. So when you're talking about high 3s to the high 4s, it's an incredible deal. A little bit more about the community. It's going to have, like I said, 56 homes. They're going to be 1 ranch floor plan and 4 2-story floor plans. And of the 4 2-story floor plans, all of them will have lofts upstairs as well. Now, this is flat land, so they'll all be slab lots, no basements. And the schools are Hendricks Elementary, Cooper Middle, and McEachern High School. So good school system here in Cobb County. Cobb County also has school choice too, so if you ever need to send your kids to another school in Cobb, you'll have the ability to do that as well. But as you can see, the land is absolutely gorgeous. The builder did a great job securing this, and it was definitely well worth the wait. So what will happen is typically, like, they'll release 3, 5, 6, something like that at a time. What we'll need you to do is to get on a list. I already have a big list. I'm going to be sending out a mass email to everybody that has signed up since last fall. And what we're going to do is get you in front of the preferred lender. So they always look at the preferred lender because it's an in-house lender as the people that are going to get priority. In addition, if there's any rate incentives, as an example, if rates right now are 5.75 to 6.5, they may run a special, especially when they first launch, for a 2-1 rate buy down or a 30-year rate buy down that might look like 5% or 5.25% or 4.99%. So those are the advantages. Most likely you'll get things like the blinds, maybe some appliances, minus the refrigerator, washer and dryer, things like that. So now, what I also want you to notice as we drive through, that was 1 cul-de-sac. Because there's only 56 lots, it is a quaint community. This fencing that you see, that's what's called a retention pond. They're going to dress it up with like trees around it and shrubbery and stuff like that. That's where the water system for the community goes. You can see like a little creek is running through here as well too. So you can just imagine, taking your morning walks or evening walks here in Powder Springs, here in Cobb County. You're gonna be able to drive down 5-6 minutes to downtown Powder Springs, which has an amphitheater that they've built recently. Property values have just kind of soared in that area. Look at these beautiful lots over here. One of the floor plans is going to have a 3-car garage. The rest of them are going to have 2-car garages. The square footage is probably pretty much going to range from that ranch around 1774, so around like 1800, all the way up to about 34. I think it was 3447, something like that for the 3-car garage one, which is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. The other floor plans will be a 5-bedroom, 3-bath floor plan for the other 4 or the other 3. As you can see, this is cul-de-sac number 2, and then at the other end there's a 3rd one. So imagine these lots. Imagine this type of, backdrop. This will probably put you about maybe 40 minutes to downtown Atlanta, 35-40 minutes to the airport, probably within 30 minutes of the Battery, which is on that Smyrna, Vinings, Atlanta line. The shops at West Cobb, the Avenue at West Cobb, those were about 20 minutes away, because I had just come from that area where the up to $1.5 million homes were. And then down there you can kind of see the last stretch of houses. So there'll be houses along here, along there, and along that cul-de-sac. So I definitely want you guys, I want to reiterate a few things. We're bringing this opportunity to you. We always represent the buyer for free when they sign a buyer brokerage agreement. Mark and Kurt, I want to work with you. I want to be a part of the Great Homes ATL family. I want to get my house resale or brand new with you. In this case, it would obviously be brand new. We're going to try to put you in the best, position that we can, right? We're not the only brokerage firm or agents in town, but we've been bringing you this opportunity since last fall. So we want to put you in the best position. And from experience, working with us, getting in front of the preferred lender, kind of knowing your numbers, what does a mortgage look like? What does your cash to close look like with the special rate incentive at 390? Say that's what the ranch comes in at, or at let's just say 475 for the 3-car garage one. We don't know. We don't have final pricing, but just giving you that as an example. This way you have the conversation with the lender. If there's anything you need to clean up over the next few weeks when it comes to these lot releases, then you do that as well. You'll have probably like a new construction meeting, a pre-drywall meeting, and then the final orientation. You get the home warranty as well, which is a 1-year builder, 2 years on your electrical, plumbing, heating, and air, 10 years on your structure, which means if there was ever any unsettling of the land or anything like that, you are covered for 10 years. But as you can tell, this is going to be a pretty straightforward process. These are very nice, beautifully flat, maintained lots here that they're setting up. When you see these pink ribbons, that's setting up the survey for like property lines and stuff like that. But just imagine like waking up, there's going to be a creek, like I said, back there. Look at these gorgeous wooded lots over here. It's very, very, very rare that you're going to be able to find a brand new Cobb County home with a 3 or 4 in front of it. In Powder Springs, you'll have great access back roads to get to Lithia Springs, Douglasville, and the other direction, Smyrna, Mableton, Austell, Kennesaw, Marietta, Ackworth, and then you also probably about, I would say, 10 minutes to the expressway. But between there and the expressway, there's a ton of restaurants and shops and car dealerships and everything that you need on a daily basis, gyms and stuff like that. And I think it's just going to be an awesome, awesome place to call home. So again, 5 floor plans. There'll be 1 ranch, 4 2 levels. Of the 4 2 levels, they're all going to have loft spaces, 4 and 5 bedrooms, 1 with a 3-car garage. So put yourself in the best position. Join Great Homes ATL, sign that buyer brokerage agreement, go for your your pre-approval with the lender, know your numbers. As these floor plans, as the lots that fit these floor plans get released, we'll put in for it. And that's, try to secure it. Again, driving through, I'll just kind of put my phone on my window down. Hear that, listen to that. Gorgeous. And that is running through the property, guys. Right? So I'm super excited for you. As you saw, only 3 cul-de-sacs, only 56 homes in Cobb County, Powder Springs, Hendricks, Cooper, McEachern High Schools. There are going to be floor plans for everybody. You're single or you have a larger family. This is going to be a great, great community for you. So we're going to go in order of people to respond. We're going to go in order of people that fill out the buyer brokerage agreement and sign off. And we're going to go in order of people that get pre-approved. As always, if this is not the community for you, you just want to have a general consultation with us, do that with us. Schedule that. If you want to go look in a different area, schedule a consultation with us. Go for your pre-approval. Again, there is down payment assistance. There are VA, no money down, FHA, conventional. And in opportunities like this, when it's a brand new home community and you can get in on the early phases, you are setting yourself up for a future of equity and generational wealth. It's just going to be an amazing, amazing feeling. If you are relocating from out of state, I'd be happy to, check on the progress. I have a great relationship with the builder and the on-site agents and the lenders. So we're just going to make it a very smooth process. If you do live here or come to town, you'll be able to watch your home being graded out, slab poured, framing happening, drywall going in. It's going to be an amazing, amazing process. So hit us up ASAP. Again, it's early April 6th of 2023. Lot releases will start rolling out on a rolling basis. What I hear is April 27th, and it will be ongoing every couple of weeks from there. So snag one early and watch your home being built. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon, and I look forward to welcoming you to the family. As always, you could visit us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Great Homes ATL, and of course at our website, greathomesatl.com. Schedule that consultation, get on these lists, shop for resale or new homes, always free with Great Homes ATL. We'll talk to you soon.